This is level 3A ballistic helmet from Raptor Tactical. I've ordered that helmet on AliExpress and sadly it arrived damaged. I've contacted the producer and they decided to replace the helmet and asked me to test this one on how it will perform while damaged. The helmet was dented on the top and definitely the structure had been damaged. There is a visible dent on the top. The only change that I've made before the test is to remove the NVG mount, as there are metal elements and I wanted to mitigate any risk of ricochets while shooting at the helmet. I'll be shooting at the helmet with my CZ P10F. It's a 9mm full-size pistol. And for the ammo we'll be using 124 grain full metal jackets. This is the first test shot. As you can see, I decided to hit the helmet straight in the front, right where the NVG mount originally was. As you can see, the bullet hit the helmet straight and then bounced up and went out of the helmet. Inside there is quite a big bulge. However, the bullet did not went through, only the paint was chipped and the bulging was pretty significant. The second shot is from the left side. For the left side shot, again, the bullet hit straight, then bounced up and went outside of the helmet. Again, the bullet did not went through. There is a bulge inside of the helmet. However, as I said, the bullet is not inside. For the third shot, we hit the helmet straight into the back to check how the backside will cope. This is the hit that is really near the dent that was made during transportation. Again, bullet went into the helmet, however, it did not went through. Here we have the fourth shot. This time it was on the right side of the helmet. And similarly as with the previous shots, the bullet was stopped. There is a bulge in the helmet, however the bullet remained outside of the scalp. It did not went through. And here we can see the last shot, the fifth shot. It was taken straight into the top of the helmet, right by the place that was damaged during the transportation. As you can see, the helmet moved, but as I picked it up, as I checked the inside, again, as with the previous shots, only the top covering was sticking out. However, inside, apart from the bulge, there is no damage. So again, the bullet did not went through, even through the area that was damaged previously, and even a shot into the helmet that previously had taken 4 other shots into different places all around the helmet. And now to summarize, this is how the helmet looks after the top covering was taken off. As you can see, the helmet is bulged. However, with the polyethylene helmets, we can say that this is typical, right? They bulge quite a lot more comparing to the aramid helmets. However, what's very important, none of the bullets went through, so all of those were stopped by the construction, even in the area that was previously damaged by the shipping company. As you can see, the layers are delaminating, there are some dents, there is some bulging. However, as I said, none of the bullets went through the helmet's construction. And by the end, as the bonus, these are the photos of the 3 bullets that I've removed from the helmet itself.